My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the XEM price predictions. What's the price change goes in a name, what's the high price predictions of the XEM. In this video I will show you what's the next target. So before starting this interesting video, friends, if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price predictions of the XEM coin as a negative 0.68% change occur in the XEM coin in the last 1 hour, and the high price of XEM is $0.442795 dollar is the high price of XEM coin in the last 1 hour, friends. Now, friends, if we look at the graph of the XEM, so as you can see here, the continuously there is only one phenomena. After a fast you have to take a jump, after a fast you have to take a jump. This phenomena is repeated by XEM by every hour. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. After that we decide that what's the next target of XEM coin. As their jumping occurs in the XEM, as their falling occur in the XEM. So friends, what a unbelievable change occur in XEM coin in the last 1 day. I can't believe this. And I'm very complex. I'm very excited to look the chart of the XEM coin. What's this? This is a chart. I don't know what's this. I can't understand it. But as you can see here, the change is a negative 3.25% change occur in the last 1 day in a XEM coin, and the high price of XEM coin is 0.457508 USD dollar is the high price of XEM in the last 1 day, friends. Absolutely, the change is very bad. Now let's check it out the structure of the XEM coin. As you can see here, as I told you that after a fast there is a jump. That is phenomena as repeated by XEM coin after a minute and minute. As you can see here, fast down occur, take a jump, fast down occur, take a jump, fast down occur, take a jump. So that is a continuously repeated phenomena of XEM coin. Same like that the chart goes up. As you can see here, after a jump, after a fast there is a jump, after a fast there is a jump continuously. And as you can see here, the last 1 hour, it this time currently changed. So in XEM coin, I'm talking about the current situation. Now they are in the fast mode, and as you can see here, as I will zoom it, I will show you understand it better. As you can see here, now friends, if we look, it is a falling time, and now if we look currently status, so currently I think they are again ready for a jumping. So as this kind of change continuously, so as you can see here, the every change is in the falls. As you can see here, that is the highest point of the XEM coin. As you can see here, that is the highest point of the XEM coin, and now the current price of the XEM coin is that. So if this kind of change occur in an XEM coin, so they lose in the future, they will lose you in the future, because the whole change occur in the XEM coin is in the negative. As you can see here, the change is negative. So that is why my suggestion for you that the big jumping may become in the XEM coin. But if this kind of situation occur in the XEM coin, so there is a dumping occurs in the XEM coin. As you can see here, same like that the jump occurs in the XEM, but the change is negative. Why? Because small jump, take a small jump as compared to the falls of the XEM coin. That is why the whole change is in negative. So it is my opinion for all of you that if you are a holder of XEM coin, so please hold it at this time, because we can't say about the future of XEM coin. Maybe they goes upward in the future, maybe they take a high explosion, we can't say, but you have to think positive every time. What's your opinion about XEM coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and urgent videos notification.